Hello, welcome to the SpoonForkHeart kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy teriyaki chicken. Okay, so I use chicken thigh with the skin on and the bone in. So I need to remove the bone. I want to use the chicken thigh with the skin on, so it's hard for me to find they already remove the bone, but it's very quick and easy to remove the bone. If I can do it, you can do it too. Cutting slow, follow the meat around the bone. It's very easy. Just go slow. But if you don't like to use the skin on, you can. It's easier to find the chicken thigh with already removing the bone. But having the bone, it's easy too because I'm gonna save this for my chicken stock. And also after you remove the bone, you still have to trim a little bit of extra. I'm just going to trim the extra, and you can see this is a little piece of bone too, and the tendon, so I'm just gonna remove the extra. Okay, after I remove the bone and the extra tendon and extra fat, now we're going to cut through a little bit to make it even. When you cook them, it will be cooked even and easier, like fat them out a little bit. Okay, and your chicken thigh should look about like that, a little bit fat, and you can see it bigger, and then when you cook them it will be easier. And now I use 4 pieces the chicken thigh, and I'm gonna do the same thing, okay, with all 4 of them, and we see you later. Okay, and this is the last pieces. Okay, and I just try to fat them out a little bit. All right, now I have 4 pieces the chicken thigh, removing the bone. Okay, let's go to the next step. Okay, now I already washed my hand and I lay all 4 chicken thigh on the cutting board. It will be easy for seasoning. I'm going to seasoning with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just a pinch of salt and pepper, just to taste. And I'm going to put some pepper. I'm gonna do the same thing on both sides with salt and pepper. Okay, I'm going to flip and doing the same thing on the other side with salt and pepper. Okay, and next I'm going to put the cornstarch on the all 4 chicken. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons cornstarch. I'm gonna rub it in. The cornstarch, it will help you with the absorb the salt. It will help you with for the chicken can be crispy. So just make sure you putting all the cornstarch all over, just on the meat side, not on the skin side. Okay, just one side, because I want the oil from the skin and crispy come out from the skin side. Okay, and now your chicken should look like this with all the powder. I'm gonna go to the stove and wash my hand again, and we're ready to cook. Okay, now I have my pan ready, and I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon the oil. 1 tablespoon oil, and I'm just gonna wait just a second. Make sure our pan is hot enough. Okay, now our pan is getting hot. I'm going to start put the first piece of the chicken. Put the skin down first. Okay. 1, 2. I'm gonna turn to the medium heat. After the pan is already hot, I'm just going to use the medium heat. Okay, I'm gonna put all 4 pieces in the pan. 4. It fits perfect with 4 pieces. Okay, and turn to the medium heat because we not want the skin to be burned before they start to getting right brown and crispy. Okay, just let them cook. Okay, and now while we wait for our chicken cook, I will cook about 4 minutes. We're going to make teriyaki sauce Today I'm gonna make a simple teriyaki sauce. Okay, and the last video I already made the teriyaki sauce for the tofu, but today we make the fresh. I want to show you how quick and easy to make teriyaki chicken. And the fresh teriyaki sauce, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons the soy sauce. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and gonna be 2 tablespoons mirin. 2 tablespoons mirin. Okay, and two. I forget. Okay, 2 tablespoons mirin, and then also 3 tablespoons the sake, cooking sake. One and 2, and I'm going to use the 1 tablespoon the sugar. You can use honey. You can use a little bit of honey too if you wanted to, but now I'm gonna use just a simple. Okay, I use 1 tablespoon the sugar, and I'm going to give them the I'm going to give them a very good mix. Okay, being 4 minutes now, I'm going to flip them. Turn up the heat again. Okay. Look at this. Alright, so now I flip to it, and now when you flip to this side, not touch them yet. If you touch them, they're gonna stuck to the pan, so just let them cook for a few minutes before you can flip them again. Okay, now being 4 minutes that I cook on the meat side, now I'm going to flip it back to the skin side again. Okay. Yes, look at this. Okay, and while I gonna cook the skin side in the medium heat, another 4 minutes. I want the skin to getting like a brown. Okay, now another 4 minutes on the medium heat. Now I'm going to flip it back to this. Oh, look at the chicken. Look at the color. Look really good. Wow. Okay, and now I'm going to pour the sauce in. Lowering the heat. Oh wow. Look at this. Okay, and I'm going to let them cook into the medium heat until all the sauce is reduced. Okay, now you let the chicken cook in the sauce for 5 minutes. Now all the sauce getting reduced now and cooked to the chicken. So now I'm going to flip on the side, on the both sides, to make sure all the sauce, all the chicken have a caramelized from the sauce. So I'm gonna flip on the both sides. Okay, and now our teriyaki chicken ready to cut and serve. Oh, look really good. Okay. Look at this. Okay, and look at this both sides. Oh, look at the skin. Oh, look really good. I'm going to cut them to the bite side. Nice and juicy. Wow. Okay, and I'm going to put on top the rice. Okay, so I have white rice and the teriyaki chicken. I'm going to serve with the steamed vegetable. You can put the veggies that you like. So I have broccoli, cabbage, and zucchini, and also I have the salad. I'm gonna put a little salad on the other side too. Okay. Oh, look at this, some cucumber and cherry tomato. Look at this, look at this. Oh, that's it. Look better than takeout and really quick and easy for you for the any day you like it, quick and easy. Okay, you can put the salad dressing that you like, your favorite salad dressing. I will put it later. And now I have my teriyaki sauce that I make from the last time. So I'm gonna pour extra teriyaki sauce on top. Oh, look at this. You can put the mud that you like. you make your own. So, and also a little bit of toasted sesame seed. Wow, look at this. Look at it again. Okay, we're ready to taste together. We're ready to taste together. And look at this piece of chicken, some chicken skin here. Really, really good. The chicken skin still really crispy. And chicken is still very moist, very juicy, and the second will absorb all the sauce. Very, very good. Can you use my hand? Okay, I'm probably gonna put some more salt on top of chicken, and also I'm gonna put some my favorite salad dressing and eat the whole bowl. And this is very quick and easy teriyaki chicken recipe. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.